Children, today we are going to cover the remaining topics of lesson 1, growing plants. So now we will be learning in detail about the following. What is agriculture? What do we mean by crops? And what are the different types of crops with examples? Types of soil which are suitable for different crops. What are the various stages of agriculture? And we will also learn about the various ways to protect the crops. So let's begin. Now let us see, what does the word agriculture mean? Children, we all know that plants need to be grown on a large scale to feed the entire population of a country. So, agriculture may be defined as the practice of growing plants on a large scale for food and other purposes. The images shown here depicts the scene of agriculture. Children, we all know that food is the most essential thing for everyone, and we get our food mostly from, yes, the plants. So, plants of one kind grown on a large scale in a particular area during a particular season or period are called crops. Farmers grow different types of crops in different seasons. In India, mainly two types of crops are grown, and they are number 1 Rabi crops and number 2 Kharif crops. Now, let's study about them in detail. Rabi crops are grown in winter season and they are harvested in the spring season. Here, harvested means the crop is ripe and ready to cut and stored. Major Rabi crops are wheat, peas, gram, mustard, etc. On the other hand, Kharif crops are grown in summer season and they are harvested at the end of monsoon season. Major crops are rice, maize, jowar, bajra, etc. Children, you should eat different kinds of vegetables because they are rich in vitamins, minerals, and many more nutrients. But do you know that many vegetables are not available for the whole year? They are available only for a particular season. For example, vegetables like cabbage, cauliflower, beans, radish, peas, etc. are grown in winter, whereas vegetables like brinjal, pumpkin, etc. are grown in summer. So children, try to find out more such vegetables which are found either in summer or in winter season only. Now, let's talk about types of soil. Different plants grow not only in different climate, but they also require different types of soil. There are 4 major types of soil. They are clay soil, sandy soil, black soil, and moist soil. Now, let's study about this soil in detail. Clay soil holds plenty of water in it. It does not have air in it. Do you know why? Because in this soil, quantity of rock is very less. Example of crops that grow best in clay soil are rice, jute, sunflower, etc. This is the reason why more of rice is grown in and around West Bengal. Sandy soil are easy to work with as they have quick water drainage capacity. Example, wheat is grown in the sandy soil of Punjab and Uttar Pradesh. Next soil is black soil. Children, black soil is made up of igneous rocks. It is black in color because it is made up of lava rock. Example, cotton grows well in the black soil of central and western India. Moist soil contain lots of moisture or water. Tea plants which are grown on the slopes of hilly areas like Assam and Darjeeling need which type of soil? Yes, moist soil. Coconut tree grow well in coastal areas and maize grows well in the dry soil of the plains or hills. Now, let's have a look about the various stages of agriculture. In the first stage, the field is plowed. Here, plow means to dig and turn over a field so that the soil becomes loose. Next, manures and chemical fertilizers are added to the soil, which enrich the soil with nutrients. In the third stage, seeds are sown. Now, the crop is irrigated. Here, irrigation means to supply water to an area of land through pipes or channels so that the crop will grow. In the next stage, the crop is sprayed with chemicals called pesticides to protect it from pests. And finally, the crop is harvested. Harvest means to cut and gather a crop. Children, what do you think? Do crops need protection from birds, insects, rats and pests before and after harvesting? Yes. So, let's explore the different ways of protecting the crops. Different ways to protect the crops are: number 1, fencing. Children, you might have noticed boundary around house or fields, that is called fencing. Fencing protects the bigger animals like cows and buffaloes to enter into the fields. Use of scarecrow is also a good method to protect the crops. Farmers also use scarecrows to scare away birds from the field where crops are grown. Crops are sprayed with chemicals called as pesticides to protect them from harmful insects. Harvested crops are also stored in airtight containers to protect them from moisture and small insects. So, children, this was all about agriculture, stages of agriculture, types of crops and ways of protecting the crops. So, try to find out more examples of Rabi and Kharif crops and also try to implement few ways to protect pulses or grains. Thank you.